Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to close your Wise account step by step. Whether you're switching to another service or you simply don't use Wise anymore. The process is very simple and only takes a minute. Start by opening your web browser and going to wise.com. Once the site loads, log into your account using your usual email and password. After you're logged in, look toward the top right corner of the page and click on your user icon. A drop-down menu will appear from there. Select Settings. When you're on the Settings page, scroll all the way down to the bottom. You'll see an option that says, Close your account. Go ahead and click on it. Then select Continue to move forward. At this point, Wise will show you some information about what happens when you close your account. It'll remind you that you won't be able to use your Wise debit card anymore. You won't have access to your transfer history, and you'll lose other account-related features. If you're sure you want to continue, click on I'm okay with that. Next, Wise will ask you to select a reason for closing your account. You can choose something like not using this service anymore, problems with transfers, or any other option that fits your situation. Once you've selected your reason, click the Close Account button to confirm. After a moment, Wise will display a message letting you know that your account has been successfully closed. You can click Done to dismiss the confirmation, and that's it. Your Wise account is now closed. If for any reason you run into issues while trying to close your account, you can always reach out to Wise's customer support team through their help center at wise.com/help. They offer several contact options and can assist you with any problems. And that's how easy it is to close your Wise account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.